Hello everyone, welcome back to 5 Best Pro. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best beard trimmers. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5, we have the Panasonic ER-GB80S. Best washable beard trimmer. This trimmer has 39 adjustable settings to first-rate music. Your grooming recurring. A rubberized dial controls the settings in 0.5 mm increments from 0.5 mm to 20 mm. The stainless steel blades are washer-friendly and a convenient water drain lets in brief cleaning after each use. While the battery will last simply shy of an hour, a LED fee indicator on the Take Care of shows the strength level as to no longer depart you stranded inside the middle of a trim. The attachments that include the ER-GB80S are designed for closer facial hair trimming, longer beard styles and precision framed hair grooming. Panasonic also equipped the trimmer with a rubberized manage that fits comfortably in bigger palms. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Philips Norelco Multigroom MG3750. Best affordable beard trimmer. This beard trimmer offers loads of functions for simply $20. It comes with 9 attachments, together with hair guards, beard guards and precision trimmers for ear and nostril hair. It makes use of a lithium-ion battery that provides a first-rate hour-long runtime, and the trimmer's metal blades are self-polishing and cleanable. For folks who like trimmers that are noticeably clean to take care of, this one doesn't require users oil the blades. At number 3, we have the Braun Multi-Grooming Kit MGK3045. This compact trimmer can preserve up with the fine. It comes with 5 attachments and can trim beards from 0.5 mm to 21 mm in 2 mm increments. The battery promises 1 hour of runtime and a LED indicator at the cope with shows the battery life. Thankfully, this trimmer is fully washable, making on-the-go cleanup a breeze. It's also small enough to be packed right into a dock package without disturbing your contemporary grooming products. At number 2, we have the Andis T-Outliner. If you need a precision trimmer to touch up your neck, beard and mustache, this is a solid choice. Inside the heavy-duty housing, a quiet magnetic motor powers carbon metal blades designed for years of use. Weighing in at 11.5 ounces, this trimmer is easy on the arms for extended use. The T-Outliner is good for dry shaving, but make sure to oil the blade before each use to ensure a very good trim. And finally, at number 1, we have the Philips Norelco Beard Trimmer BT7215/49. Sometimes, comfort is a great factor, such as the case of the Philips Norelco BT7215/49. It has an incorporated vacuum that catches most of the peel of your beard hairs, making post-trim cleanup notably speedy. Choose from 20 length settings starting from 0.5 mm to 10 mm in 0.5 mm increments and use 4 unique attachments to get your perfect trim. It utilizes self-sprucing metal blades which are removable and washer-friendly. A lithium-ion battery gives you 80 minutes of runtime on a 1-hour price. The Logos 5-year warranty ought to remove any customer's remorse. This is a contender for the first-rate all-around trimmer. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this beard trimmers, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.